Hello everyone! Your phone's personal hotspot feature can come in handy in so many ways. For instance, if your home internet is experiencing an outage or if you brought your laptop to a cafe that doesn't offer Wi-Fi access, you can instead use your cellular data plan to get your devices online. All recent iPhone and Android phones offer this feature, and if your cellular plan supports it, you can connect your laptop or other devices through your phone's 4G or 5G connection. While your phone's cellular connection might not be as fast as regular internet, it can get the job done in a pinch. If you have an iPhone, go to Settings, tap General, then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Reset, and then select Reset Network Settings. Be warned that this resets all of your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings, and VPN and APN settings that you've used before. If you're trying to connect to your phone's personal hotspot over Wi-Fi, make sure that Allow Others to Join is enabled on the Personal Hotspot page. Be sure to remember the Wi-Fi network name, which is also your device's name, and the Wi-Fi password that are on this screen. If you're using an iPhone 12 or later, try selecting the Maximize Compatibility toggle at the bottom of the screen. This will broaden the devices that can connect to your hotspot by using a slower 2.4 GHz connection rather than the 5 GHz connection used by default. If you have an Android phone, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and then Hotspot and Tethering. The mobile hotspot or tethering option should be turned on. While you're in the Hotspot settings page, make sure that your security, password, and network name are configured the way you want it. If nothing works, try resetting your phone's network settings. To do so, go to System, tap Reset, then select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth, and confirm it. Be aware, however, that this will reset all Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings on your phone.